Hello, tuber woobers. Woober woober tuber woobers. This is an unboxing video of me ordering some organic beef online. So this is from butcherbox.com. It's a subscription thing, so it's not like you could do a one-time shot, but it's designed to be as a membership. And it's all organic, range-fed um, meats. I chose the beef box because that's what I don't usually get too much of in my diet is beef at home because it just seems to be the way it works. I can't really have my daughter shop very well and kind of get what I want from the store. So I thought I'd give this a try. The box was $130, and they gave me some extra selections as a bonus for signing up. So for some reason, the video is not showing what it's showing. Comes in a insulated box with dry ice packets in it. Unfortunately, by the time that I got my first box, it had inclement weather, so it sat on a loading dock for another day or two. Um, they really should be shipping it next day and not FedEx ground because, you know, I kind of lucked out. I mean, if you were making this order during the summer, um, there'd be a problem. But it was kind of fortunate that they carried the box up. It was kind of a heavy box, and I was waiting for some family members to help me with the box. But yeah, everything was frozen in the box, and I put in the pot roast in the oven last night, and I overcooked it a bit, but it was good. It was probably the first time I've ever enjoyed roast beef. It was very tender, even though I overcooked it. It was very tender, and it was very good. Um, I'm a little, I don't know. I've usually found that roast beef is very chewy. Uh, I think the prices are kind of comparable to find organic meat in my area is extremely expensive because it's really only the people that have higher budgets that can accommodate the prices. So usually you just end up buying whatever's cheapest. My philosophy in buying meat is to buy whatever's cheapest. And I used to go to ooh, it really looks nasty outside all of a sudden. And I see the sun shining and I see really black clouds. That's weird. Um, so they sent me a couple of packages of bacon. I don't do much bacon because of the sodium, but my kids like bacon. So there you go. No tripod. Totally off the cuff here. I think this is I think it's the ribeye. I can't really read the screen. I kind of thought there'd be more meat in the box than there was. I got the impression when I was ordering was I was getting a bonus pack of more meat. Um, but I'm not sure. It's kind of their website's kind of weird because you can't really get a good feel for what you're ordering. It's it's very hard to look on the website and see what's in a particular box if it's not an order. You just can't like look around, which is kind of an annoying thing to me. Now this particular piece I'm holding right now, this is what I cooked last night, and it was very good. Now this probably would feed a few people, but if I didn't overcook it, wouldn't have been shrunk down so much. And I probably wouldn't have eaten the whole thing. But don't tell anybody that I ate the whole thing. And this is the package of, to me, the packages, the sizes are probably comparable for one meal. Of course, it doesn't follow the rule of, you know, deck of cards is a serving. I think that's kind of a strange thing to say. But so far, I'm happy with it. It's a nice way for me to get some beef protein, and it's organic, so it's healthier versus just buying, what's on sale at the store. Sometimes I go to the go to BJ's, which is a wholesale, and I can get meat custom cut. But I don't do that so much anymore since I've had some mobility issues. In the future, we'll probably do that. So, then there I'm putting it in the sink to thaw because it was frozen. And yeah,